Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to Ideal Others Educational Institution. Welcome to online class. Standard 9th Subject Science. Unit 1. Unit name Measurement. First introduction. Measurement. Measurement is the basic of all important scientific study. It play an important role in your daily life also. While finding your height by milk for your family, timing the race completed by your friend and so on, you need to make measurement. While finding your height, buying milk for your family, timing the race completed by your friend and so on, you need to make measurement. Measurement is the basic of all important scientific study. What is mean by measurement? Measurement is about assigning a number to a characteristic of an object or event which can be compared with other object or event. That is measurement. Physical quantities and units. First, physical quantities. What is meant by physical quantities? Physical quantities is a quantity that can be measured. Physical quantity is a quantity that can be measured. The physical quantity can be classified in two types. First one, fundamental quantities, and the second one, derived quantities. First one, fundamental quantities, and the second one, derived quantities. What is meant by fundamental quantities? Quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Quantity which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantity are called fundamental quantity. Example, length. Fundamental quantities and their units. The fundamental quantity 7. First of all, length unit meter, symbol m. Second, mass unit kilogram, symbol kg. Third, time unit second, symbol s. Temperature fourth, unit Kelvin, symbol k. Electric current unit ampere, symbol a. Sixth, luminous intensity unit candela, symbol cd. Last one, amount of substance unit mole, symbol mol. This is 7 fundamental quantities. And next, derived quantity. What is meant by derived quantity? Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Example, area. Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Derived quantities and their units. First, area, length into breadth formula, unit m square. Second, volume formula, area into height, unit meter cube. Next, density formula, mass divided by volume, unit kg m power minus 3. Velocity formula, displacement by time, unit ms power minus 1. Next, momentum formula, mass into velocity, unit kg ms power minus 1. Acceleration formula, velocity by time, unit ms power minus 2. Next, force formula, mass into acceleration, unit kg ms power minus 2 or capital N. Next, pressure formula, force divided by area. Unit capital N small m power minus 2 or PA. Next, energy or work. Formula force into distance. Unit capital N small m or J. Surface tension. Formula force divided by length. Capital N m power minus 1 unit. This is derived quantity and their units. Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is a derived quantity. Distance basic quantity length and time basic quantity time. So speed is derived quantity. Next, units. What is mean by units? A unit is a standard quantity with which the unknown quantities are compared. A unit is a standard quantity with which the unknown quantity are compared. That is units. Earlier, different unit systems were used by people from different countries. Some of the unit systems followed earlier are given below in unit system of earlier times. System length, mass, time. CGS means centimeter, gram, second. FBS foot, pound, second. MKS meter, kilogram, second. This is earlier different unit system were used by people from different countries. SI system of units. SI system of units is the modernized and improved form of the previous system of units. It is accepted in almost all the countries. SI system of units. The end of the Second World War, there was a necessity to use worldwide system of measurement, hence SI. SI means International System of Units. And next, length. What is meant by length? Length is the extent of something's between 2 points, that is length. The SI unit of length is meter. The SI unit of length is meter. 1 meter is the distance traveled by the light through vacuum in 1 divided by 29 core 97 lakhs 92,458 second. That is length. In order to measure very large distance of astronomical object, we use the following units. First, astronomical unit, and second, light year, and third, Percy. What is mean by astronomical unit? It is the mean distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. One astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. One astronomical unit equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. That is astronomical unit. Center of the sun from center of the earth. And next, light year. What is mean by light year? Light year means it is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year in vacuum, and it is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. That is light year. The distance traveled by the light in 1 year in vacuum. That is light year. The value of light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Light year. And next one, Percy. What is mean by Percy? Percy is the unit of distance used to measure astronomical objects outside the solar system. 1 Percy equal to 3.26 light year. 1 Persei equal to 3.26 light year. Larger units: kilometer 10 power 3 meter, astronomic unit 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter, light year 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter, and Persei 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter. Larger units: smaller units: centimeter, millimeter, micrometer, nanometer, Armstrong, Fermi. That smaller units: centimeter 10 power minus 2 meter, millimeter 10 power minus 3 meter, micrometer 10 power minus 6 meter, Fermi 10 power minus 15 meter. Thank you very much.